So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about our technologies. I work at MTE Thomson, a totally Brazilian company. We manufacture all of our sensor elements in Brazil. We just have warehouses in Europe and in the US. So here we have a few types of very technical sensors. We have 5 different technologies of oxygen sensors. They go inside the exhaust pipe, and our main goal is to achieve the most big number of vehicles. We work with all brands, all kinds of sensors, and we produce even the powder of the sensor element. So the ceramic is all manufactured in Brazil. That's our main specialty. Usually our competitors buy the sensor elements and just assemble them, or sometimes they buy the complete sensor from China or other countries. And we have the ability to find new connectors, adjust the length of the cable, because we have everything inside. So we produce the complete sensor. We also have these types here. They were designed for European and North American markets because they are for diesel cars. We have the exhaust gas temperature sensor made of PT200 sensor element, and also the NTC type one. This one is very important for the US, for example. And we also have electronic parts. Our company has a very special room, safe because of electrostatic energy. And this is also for diesel cars. We produce the PCB, the printed circuit board, and we assemble this inside. It's an exhaust gas pressure sensor for DPF. This is a MAP sensor, manifold air pressure sensor. We also produce the electronic PCB and also the temperature sensor. It measures both. And the position sensor, TPS, throttle position sensor. So all sensor elements are manufactured in Brazil by us. That's just an idea of what MTE Thomson does. So